welcome back. So in this video, let's go to After Effects and we're going to create a new project. Okay, so what I want to do is let's click on New Project, and you'll notice it's called Untitled Project. So let's go up here and click on File and do Save As, and we're going to call this, first we're going to select the location where to save it on the desktop, and we're going to call it Project Number 1. Okay, so we know what it is. And then space and a dash, and let's do logo. Because you want to name this the way that it is, or what you're doing, so it's easy to find. Okay, so we created that new project. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.